Close your eyes. Keep your spine straight. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in, hold it there. Oh, oh, oh. ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। सर्वमङ्गलमङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहां त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहाम् पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्। अरुणाङ्करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानीम्। ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं हेमाभां पीतवस्त्राङ्करकलितलिसत् हेमाभां पीतवस्त्राङ्करकलितलसद्धेमपद्मां वराङ्गीं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीं सकुङ्कुमविलेपनामलिकचुम्बिकस्तूरिकां समं दहसि ते क्षणां सशरचापपाशाङ्कुशाम् अशेषजनमोहिनीमरुणमाल्यभूषाम्बरां जपाकुसुमभासुरान् जपविधौ स्मरेदम्बिका। ॐ ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ॐ श्रीमात्रे नमः। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Lalita Sahasranam session. Yesterday we have finished the first 100 mantras. Now let's go for the next 20 from 101 to 120. Today's Koda. Mataji. कालरात्र्यादिशक्त्यौघवृता स्निग्धौदनप्रिया
कालरात्र्यादिशक्त्यौघभृता स्निग्धौरनप्रिया
स्निग्धौ
कालरात्र्यादिशक्त्यौघभृता स्निग्धौधनप्रिया
महावीरेन्द्रवरदा राकिण्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी
महावीरेन्द्रवरदा राकिण्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी कालरात्र्यादिशक्त्यौघभृता स्निग्धौदनप्रिया महावीरेन्द्रवरदा राकिण्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी.
So kalaratriyadi. When ya sound we have to take over there. Kshatyauga. Again when ya sound is a shatyau. And au also we have to maintain over there. Snigdhau. Dha Mahaprana we have to maintain and say au also over there. It's not snigdhodana. Snigdhau. Au sound has to be there. Then snigdhau, dhanapriya. That na will have a pressure and you will say dhanapriya. Then Mahavirendra. So we have to hold longer. Varada Rakinyamba Swarupini. So Rakinyamba, even if it's half, you'll have to say it ana only over there. Rakinyamba. Anyamba and not Rakinyamba. Rakinyamba. The tongue has to touch the roof of the palate. Swarupini, that ani will also be dirgha and murdhani and akara. Kalaratriadishaktyaughvrita snigdhau dhanapriya. So what happens? Snigdhau, and then the is alpa prana. So dhau, mahaprana and auki matra, and then going to the prana sometimes gets tricky, so we'll have to be mindful over that. Mahavirendra Varada Rakinyamba Swarupini Manipurabja Nilaya Vadanatraya Sanyuta.
Sorry, I lost my connection. Sorry.
Manipura. Okay.
Manipurabjanilaya Vadanatraya Sanyuta.
Vajradika Yudhopeta Damaryadibhiravrita.
Vajradika Yudhopeta Damaryadibhiravrita. Manipurabjanilaya Vadanatraya Sanyuta. Vajradika Yudhopeta Damaryadibhiravrita.
So, Mani, that Ani is a Murdhani Nakara. Purabja. So, Pu is a Dirgha sound. Vadana, that Na is a Dvitva. Vadanatraya, and not Vadanatraya. Vadanatraya, Vadanatraya, Sanyuta. So, the Anuswara on the Sa. So, now we are going to learn that. We said in Avargiya, except for Ya and La, everything else we are doing Wa. So, now we get over here. So when there is a ya coming in, then the anuswara will become nya. So sanyuta is the correct pronunciation and not samyuta, sanyuta, or even samyuta is not there. Sanyuta. So when a ya comes, the anuswara will become ya with a chandra bindu. Nya, sanyuta. When a la will come, the anuswara will become la with a chandra bindu. San. So when it will come, we will see san. Okay. Let's go ahead. Then in the second line, Vajra Dhika. So many people try to say over here Vajra Dhika. It's a common mistake. It is not Dhika. It's not Mahaprana. It's Alpa Prana Dhika. Then Yudho. That is a Mahaprana Dha. And Da Maryadi. So again we have to maintain the Alpa Prana there. Dhiravrita. That Dha is a Mahaprana. Manipurabjanilaya Vadanatraya Sanyuta Vajradika Yudhopeta Damaryadibhiravrita Raktavarna Mamsanishtha Gudamna Pritamanasa.
Raktavarna Mamsanishtha Gudana Pritamanasa.
Samasta Bhakta Sukhada Lakinyamba Swarupini.
Samasta Bhakta Sukhada Lakinyamba Swarupini. Raktavarna Mamsanishtha Gudana Pritamanasa. Samasta Bhakta Sukhada Lakinyamba Swarupini.
Raktavarna, Ana is a Murdhani Nakara. Mamsa, Anuswara will become Wa because Sa is there. So Mamsa and not Mamsa or Mansa. Nishtha. Sa is a Murdhani and Tha is a Mahaprana out over there. Gudan, double Na is there. But Pri is the next. So Gudan Prita. Double Na also you have to say and you have to make it Tvitva also. Prita Manasa. Okay. Then samasta bhakta, that bha is a mahaprana. Sukhada, that kha is a mahaprana. Lakinyamba, kinyamba, that is a dvitva, ki is a dvitva. Swarupini, ru and ni are dirgha sounds. Raktavarna mamsanishta gudana pritamanasa. समस्त भक्त सुखदा लाकिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी स्वाधिष्ठानाम्बुजगता चतुर्वक्त्र मनोहरा
स्वाधिष्ठानाम्बुजगता चतुर्वक्त्र मनोहरा
शूलाद्यायुध सम्पन्ना पीतवर्णातिगर्विता
शूलाद्यायुधसम्पन्ना पीतवर्णातिगर्विता स्वाधिष्ठानाम्बुजगता चतुर्वक्त्र मनोहरा शूलाद्यायुधसम्पन्ना पीतवर्णातिगर्विता.
So swadhish, dhi is a mahaprana, shakara is a murdhani shakara, and that tha is a mahaprana. Swadhishtha, dhishtha. So that mouth, dhish, for dhi mahaprana, then shakara and tha, you have to maintain. So mark that sandhi and keep over there. Swadhishthanambu jagat, swadhishthanambuja gata chaturvaktra. So this is tra and not kra. Manohara is as usual. Then shula, shoes, you have to maintain a dirgha shu. Shuladya yudha. Dha is a mahaprana. Sampanna pitavarnati garvita is as usual. स्वाधिष्ठानाम्बुजगता चतुर्वक्त्र मनोहरा शूलाद्यायुध सम्पन्ना पीतवर्णातिगर्विता मेदोनिष्ठा मधुप्रीता बन्धिन्यादिसमन्विता
मेदोनिष्ठा मधुप्रीता बन्धिन्यादिसमन्विता
दध्यन्तासक्त हृदया काकिनी रूपधारिणी
दध्यन्नासक्त हृदया काकिनी रूपधारिणी मेदोनिष्ठा मधुप्रीता बन्धिन्यादिसमन्विता दध्यन्नासक्त हृदया काकिनी रूपधारिणी
मेदो निष्ठा shakara is murdhani, tha is a mahaprana, madhuprita, the dha mahaprana, but also dvitva. Madhup, one dhup has to happen. Prita, prita is three dirgha, bambhinyadi. So dhi is a mahaprana and also a dvitva, samanvita as usual. Then dadhya, so the will have a pressure conjunct. Nya will have a, dhya will have a pressure because na is a conjunct. Dadhyanna, so double vitvas will go. Dadhyanna, dad, dha will come in the. Dhyanna, that dhya will have one half na. Huh? Dadhyanna, you have to practice it. Dadhyanna, dadhyanna. So like that, the pressure, dhya pressure you have to go. Sakta hridaya, that HR sound we have to hear. Kaki, ni is long, ki is short. Rupa, ru is long. Dha mahaprana, ri short and ni long. You have to hold the murdhani nakara. Medo nishtha madhuprita bandhinyadi samanvita dadhyanna sakta hridaya kakini rupadharini. Number 106. मूलाधाराम्बुजारूढा पञ्चवक्त्रास्ति संस्थिता
मूलाधाराम्बुजारूढा पञ्चवक्त्रास्ति संस्थिता
अङ्कुशादिप्रहरणा वरदादिनिषेविता
अङ्कुशादिप्रहरणा वरदादिनिषेविता मूलाधाराम्बुजारूढा पञ्चवक्त्रास्ति संस्थिता अंकुशादिप्रहरणा वरदादिनिषेविता.
Mula, so we are holding that mu because it's a dirgha sound. Mula dhar, dhar is a mahaprana. Mula dharam bhuja, not bhuja. Bhu alpa prana, ja is also alpa prana. Bhuja ru dha. Dha, that stress has to come of a mahaprana over there. Pancha, not pancha, pancha. Vaktrasthi, that tha mahaprana. Samsthita, of that also tha is a mahaprana. Then ankusha dip praharana. Dip praharana has to happen because pra is a conjunct, d is a short sound. Varadadini Shevita. Shre is a murdhani sound over there. मूलाधाराम्बुजारूढा पञ्चवक्त्रास्ति संस्थिता अंकुशादिप्रहरणा वरदादिनिषेविता मुद्गौदनासक्तचित्ता साकिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी
मुद्गौदनासक्तचित्ता साकिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी.
आज्ञाचक्राब्जनिलया शुक्लवर्णा षडानना
आज्ञाचक्राब्जनिलया शुक्लवर्णा षडानना. मुद्गौदनासक्तचित्ता साकिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी. आज्ञाचक्राब्जनिलया शुक्लवर्णा षडानना.
Mud. Mud will happen. Mu will have a pressure. It's a conjunct. Dvitva sound. Mudgaudana. Au sound has to come. Mudgau. Gau. Sakta chitta. Sakinyamba. Kini will have a pressure. Swarupini. Now we have known how to chant that. Adnya Chakrabja Nilaya Shukla Varna. All are straight. Except that Ana we have to maintain of Varna. And Shara. Nanasha we have to maintain a Murdhani Shakara. मुद्गौदनासक्तचित्ता साकिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी आज्ञाचक्राब्जनिलया शुक्लवर्णा षडानना मज्जा संस्था हंसवती मुख्यशक्ति समन्विता
मज्जा संस्था हंसवती मुख्यशक्ति समन्विता.
हरिद्रानैकरसिका हाकिनी रूपधारिणी
हरिद्रान्नैकरसिका हाकिनी रूपधारिणी. मज्जा संस्था हंसवती मुख्यशक्ति समन्विता. हरिद्रान्नैकरसिका हाकिनी रूपधारिणी.
Majja, ma will have a pressure. Ja is a conjunct. Then samstha, again, anuswara zmakara. Tha is a mahaprana. Homsa, again, anuswara zmakara. Vati, that you have to hold. Mukhya. Mukhya kha is a mahaprana. And mu also will have a pressure. Shakti samanvita. Haridra. So ridra, ri will have a pressure. Dvitva. Haridra. Naika, double Haridrannaika. So one double na we'll have to say Haridranna. So Haridrannaika. Rasika Hakini, we have to keep Dirgha. Rupa Dharini. That again is a Murdhani Nakara with the Dirgha sound. Majja Samstha Hamsavati Mukhya Shakti Samanvita. हरिद्रान्नैकरसिका हाकिनी रूपधारिणी सहस्रदलपद्मस्था सर्ववर्णोपशोभिता
सहस्रदलपद्मस्था सर्ववर्णोपशोभिता
सर्वायुधधरा शुक्लसंस्थिता सर्वतोमुखी
सर्वायुधधरा शुक्लसंस्थिता सर्वतोमुखी सहस्रदलपद्मस्था सर्ववर्णोपशोभिता सर्वायुधधरा शुक्लसंस्थिता सर्वतोमुखी.
See, Sahasra. So now that sra will have only that one single line. So not to say sastra over here. Lalita sahasra, not sahastra. Sahasra. Sa will have one line like pra, kra. Sa is also having that rakara. So sahasra. Dala, pad. Pa will have a pressure. Padma, that will have a pressure. Padmastha, tha is a mahaprana. Sarva varanopa, anopa, ana is a murdhani nakara. Sarva yudha dhara. Two consecutive dhakaras. Mahaprana, we have to be mindful. Shukla samsthita, we have now seen the tha mahaprana. Sarvato mukhi, dirgha also and mahaprana also. सहस्रदल पद्मस्था सर्ववर्णोपशोभिता सर्वायुधधरा शुक्ल संस्थिता सर्वतोमुखी सर्वौदन प्रीत चित्ता या किन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी
सर्वोदन प्रीत चित्ता या किन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी
स्वाहा स्वधा मतिर्मेधा श्रुतिस्मृतिरनुत्तमा
स्वाहा स्वधा मतिर्मेधा श्रुतिस्मृतिरनुत्तमा सर्वोदन प्रीत चित्ता या किन्यम्बा स्वरूपिणी स्वाहा स्वधा मतिर्मेधा श्रुतिस्मृतिरनुत्तमा
Sarvau. Oh, we have to say, not sarvo, sarvau. Then sarvau, dana prita. Na will have a dvitva sound. Ya kinyamba, again, ki is a dvitva swarupini, and we have to be mindful. Rest all we are aware of. Swaha, swadha, that dha is a mahaprana. Nidha, dha is a mahaprana. Sarvau, dana prita chitta, ya kinyamba swarupini. स्वाहा स्वधा मतिर्मेधा श्रुतिस्मृतिरनुत्तमा पुण्यकीर्तिः पुण्यलभ्या पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तना
पुण्यकीर्तिः पुण्यलभ्या पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तना
कुलोमजार्चिता बन्धमोचनी बर्बरालका बंधुरालका both are okay. कुलोमजार्चिता बन्धमोचनी बर्बरालका
कुलोमजार्चिता बन्धमोचनी बर्बरालका पुण्यकीर्तिः पुण्यलभ्या पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तना पुलोमजार्चिता बन्धमोचनी बर्बरालका
Punya ki is long. Tif. Visarga spakara will happen because punya is there. Pa is there next. Punya labhya bha is a mahaprana. Punyash. Na we also have to maintain and give a dvitva over there and include shravana sh over there. Shravana kirtana. Ki is dirgha. Kulomajarchita bandha. That dha is a mahaprana. Then barbaralaka is as usual. पुण्यकीर्तिः पुण्यलभ्या पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तना कुलोमजार्चिता बन्धमोचनी बर्बरालका विमर्शरूपिणी विद्या व्यदादि जगत्प्रसूः
विमर्शरूपिणी विद्या विमर्शरूपिणी विद्या वियदादि जगत्प्रसूः
सर्वव्याधिप्रशमनी सर्वमृत्युनिवारिणी
सर्वव्याधिप्रशमनी सर्वमृत्युनिवारिणी विमर्शरूपिणी विद्या वियदादि जगत्प्रसूः सर्वव्याधिप्रशमनी सर्वमृत्युनिवारिणी
Vimarsha. So now we have learned how to say Rupini. So many times it has come in like in Swarupini or something. So Ru is long, P is short, and E is Murdhani Nakara with Dirgha sound. Then ending is Dirgha. Jagat Prasuhu. Ukara. Then Sarvavyadhi. Vavya should happen. Double V. Vyadhi's V is there. Sarva's V is there. And one additional V because it's a Dvitva sound. Sarvavyadhi. Okay. Then in that Vyadhi, the Mahaprana is there. But also it is a Dvitva because next word is Prashamani is pra. So Sarvavyadhi Prashamani. Sarvav and Dhip Prashamani should happen. Please mark this and keep because later on we forget. Sarva Vyadhi Prashamani. Dirghani. Sarva Mrityu Nivarani as usual. Vimarsharupini Vidya Vyadadi Jagat Prasuhu. Sarva Vyadhi Prashamani Sarva Mrityu Nivarini. Agraganya Chintya Rupa Kalikalmashanashini.
Agraganya Chintya Rupa Kalikalmashanashini.
Katyayani Kalahantri Kamalaksha Nishedita.
Katyayani Kalahantri Kamalaksha Nishevita. Agraganya Chintya Rupa Kalikalmashanashini. Katyayani Kalahantri Kamalaksha Nishevita.
Agra. So will have a Dvitva sound. Agra because Gra is a kanchan. Ganya. Ga will have a Dvitva sound. Huh? Chintya. Chi will have a Dvitva sound. Rupa. See? Agraganya Chintya Rupa. We will have to keep a mind over there. Then Kalikal Masha. Shakara is a Murdhani Shakara. Then Katyayani, Kalahantri, all are Dirgha endings. Kamalaksha, Nishevita. Nishevita word we have seen before. Sh should be Murdhani Shakara. Agraganya Chintya Rupa Kalikalmashanashini Katyayani Kalahantri Kamalaksha Nishevita Tambulapuritamukhi Darimi Kusuma Prabha.
Tambulapuritamukhi Dadimi Kusumaprabha.
Mrugakshi Mohini Mukhya Mrudani Mitrarupini.
Mrugakshi Mohini Mukhya Mrudani Mitrarupini. Tambulapuritamukhi Dadimi Kusumaprabha. Mrugakshi Mohini Mukhya Mrudani Mitrarupini.
Tambula, Pudirgha, Purita, Pudirgha, Mukhi, Kha Mahaprana, and also Dirgha, Dadini, Ni is a Dirgha, Kusum, Prabha. Prabha is a Dvitva. Mrugakshi, Dirghakshi, Mohini, Dirgha, Mukhya, Kha Mahaprana, Mrudani, Dirgha, Mitra Rupini. So again, that ni has come. So whenever those endings are coming in a Dirgha sound, if you maintain that and chant, the chanting becomes very powerful and perfect. Tambula Purita Mukhi Darimi Kusuma Prabha Mrugakshi Mohini Mukhya Mrudani Mitra Rupini. Nityatripta Bhakta Nidhir Niyamtri Nikhileshwari.
Nityatripta Bhakta Nidhir Niyantri Nikhileshwari.
Maitriyadivasana Labhya Mahapralaya Sakshini.
Maitriyadivasana Labhya Mahapralaya Sakshini. Nityatripta Bhakta Nidhir Niyantri Nikhileshwari. Maitriyadivasana Labhya Mahapralaya Sakshini.
Nityatripta, no Dvitva over there for Tya, but Nitya will have a Dvitva sound. Tripta is not a conjunct, it is Rikara, it is a Svara. Bhakta Mahaprana Nidhi Mahaprana Niyantri Dirgha Nikhi, kha is a mahaprana, leshwari, ri is a dirgha. Maitriyadi, that ya sound has to be heard. Maitriyadi, vasana, labhya. Labhya is a dvitva. Mahapralaya sakshini. Ani, we know now how to drag it and make it dirgha when it comes in the end. नित्यतृप्ता भक्तनिधिर्नियन्त्री निखिलेश्वरी मैत्र्यादिवासना लभ्या महाप्रलयसाक्षिणी पराशक्तिः परा निष्ठा प्रज्ञानघनरूपिणी
पराशक्तिः परा निष्ठा प्रज्ञानघनरूपिणी
माध्वीपानालसा मातृका वर्णरूपिणी
माध्वीपानालसा मत्ता मातृका वर्णरूपिणी पराशक्तिः परा निष्ठा प्रज्ञानघनरूपिणी माध्वीपानालसा मत्ता मातृका वर्णरूपिणी
Parashakti. Visarga spakara is happening. Paranishtha. Prakara is a half and tha is a mahaprana. Yes, mahaprana. Prajnana. Pra will have a conjunct. Prajnana. Ghana Rupini. So now Rupini we know. Ru is Dirgha and E is Dirgha and Murthani. Madhvi. Dirgha. Panalasa. Ma will have a pressure. Ma is a dvitva. We have to get the double tha sound. Not mata. Matta. Matrika varana rupini. Nakara should be murdhani. It cannot be a nakara. Dental sound should not happen. Parashakti paranishtha pradnyana ghana rupini. Madvipanalasa matta matrika varna rupini. Mahakailasa nilaya mrunala mrududorlata.
महाकैलासनिलया मृणालमृदुदोर्लता
महनीया दया मूर्तिर्महासाम्राज्यशालिनी
महनीया दया मूर्तिर्महासाम्राज्यशालिनी महाकैलासनिलया मृणालमृदुदोर्लता महनीया दया मूर्तिर्महासाम्राज्यशालिनी.
So pretty straight, nothing special over here. Only thing that Mrunala Zana, you should say Murthani. Rest everything is easy. Mahakailasa Nilaya Mrunala Mrududorlata Mahaniya Daya Murtir Mahasamrajya Shalina Samrajya Mahasamrajya, not to say Mahasamrajya Shalini. Okay. Next, Atmavidya Mahavidya Shri Vidya Kama Sevita.
आत्मविद्या महाविद्या श्रीविद्या कामसेविता
Shri Shodasakshari Vidya Trikuta Kama Kotika.
श्री षोडसाक्षरी विद्या त्रिकूटा कामकोटिका आत्म
No, not that. Say that. Not sa, sha.
श्री षोडसाक्षरी
You
विद्या
have sa over there. It is sha over there. It should be sha.
it should be sha. Okay, I have it as sa. Okay. श्री षोडशाक्षरी विद्या त्रिकूटा कामकोटिका आत्मविद्या
So Shodasha is the word. Shodasha, 16.
Oh, षोडश. Okay. आत्मविद्या महाविद्या श्रीविद्या कामसेविता श्री षोडशाक्षरी विद्या त्रिकूटा कामकोटिका.
That Shodashakshari, when you will write it, probably you will get it because it's seeing sir. To get in the chanting is difficult actually. So So Shodasha Akshari, 16 alphabets or 16 letters. Sorry, I have to say all pretty same. Only thing, Shro is a Murdhani. Shro and also long sound because A, I, O, we have seen these are all long sound. Shoda, Sha. So that is little tricky to go back to Sha and then say Ksha and Re. So we'll have to practice that. Shri Shodashakshari Vidya Trikuta Sikuta should be long. Kamakotika. Okay. Atma Vidya, Mahavidya, Shri Vidya. So all the Vidyas we are Advitvas. Always, permanently. Atma Vidya, Mahavidya, Shri Vidya, Kama Sevita. Shri Shodashakshari Vidya Trikuta Kama Kotika. कटाक्ष किंकरी भूत कमला कोटि सेविता
कटाक्ष किंकरी भूत कमला कोटि सेविता
चिरस्थिता चंद्रनिभा भालस्थेन्द्रधनु प्रभा
शिरस्थिता चंद्रनिभा भालस्थेन्द्रधनुः प्रभा कटाक्ष किंकरी भूत कमला कोटि सेविता शिरस्थिता चंद्रनिभा भालस्थेन्द्रधनुः प्रभा
Kataksha, as usual, normal. Kinkari, hold the sound of re. Dirgha, bhuta, bhu, hold, not bhuta. Bhuta, mahaprana. And also dirgha, koti is short t. Okay. Then shirasthita, visarga sakara will happen because sthita sa is there. So visarga will become sa. Shirasthita, chandra nibha. Ha is a mahaprana. Then again, Bhalasthendra. Chandra Nibha Bhalasthendra. So both bhas will come consecutively. And Dhanuf Prabha. Visargas Pakara will happen. Kataksha Kinkari Bhuta Kamala Koti Sevita. Shirasthita Chandra Nibha Bhalasthendra Dhanuf Prabha. Hridayasthara प्रख्या त्रिकोणान्तरदीपिका
हृदयस्थार विप्रख्या त्रिकोणान्तरदीपिका
दाक्षायणी दैत्यहन्त्री दक्षयज्ञविनाशिनी
दाक्षायणी दैत्यहन्त्री दक्षयज्ञविनाशिनी हृदयस्थार विप्रख्या त्रिकोणान्तरदीपिका दाक्षायणी दैत्यहन्त्री दक्षयज्ञविनाशिनी.
Good. Again, you have simplified for everybody and it's finished so fast. Thank you, Lataji. So nice. So she has made it sound very easy, but when you will get your chance to chant, you will come to know the difficulties. And then slowly, by the Chaitra Navratri, you all will be ready. Okay. But when you will actually chant, you will come to know. So, Hridayastha. Hr, HR sound has to come. Tha, stha, that Mahaprana is there. Raviprakhya. We will have a Dvitva sound. Raviprakhya. Then, Triko, Anantara. Ana is a Murdhani, but Na, half Na is a dental. Trikonantara. Nantara. Trikonantara. Then Deepika. Di is a Dirgha sound. Then Dakshayani. Yani is a Dirgha. Daityahantri. Three is Dirgha. Daksha. Da will have a pressure. Daksha. Ya will have a pressure. Yajna. Both are Dvitva sounds. Because Ksha and Nya are conjuncts. Vinashini. You are holding it Dirgha. हृदयस्थार विप्रख्या त्रिकोणान्तरदीपिका दाक्षायणी दैत्यहन्त्री दक्षयज्ञविनाशिनी. So with her kripa, we have sailed through this day as well very easily. Anybody wants to chant any particular verse, any doubts to clear, please ask. Doubts? Yeah, we will get lots of doubts while you are actually chanting, and we'll clear that in WhatsApp group. So I think we have 2nd October is a Thursday, which is that Vijay Dashami. So not on the 3rd October, you have to post immediately. Okay. So from 10th October, Friday, that onwards, every Friday you will get a chance to. So that first Friday, 10th October, not the, because I had said that after Navratri, the first Friday, you won't be ready within month. So in after Navratri, when we finish chanting, I'll be posting the audio, and we will let you know the portion what you have to post for that Friday. It will be posted beforehand, and that portion you have to practice and post. And in case if you have any doubts or something, you can always ask. Okay. So today, nobody has any doubts. Good. So nice. So let's end the session today and meet tomorrow for the next 20 verses. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Shri Durgarpanamastu. Hari Om everyone. Thank you for joining. See you all tomorrow.
Thank you, Varshaji. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Varshaji.
Jai Ma.
Thank you, Varshaji.
Hari Om, Varshaji.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. That's fine.